Robin. Ben, where are you? We love you. Ben, where are we going? You tell them? I want to see the groundhog. We just left Tobyhanna State Park in the Poconos, and we're headed to Gobblers Knob in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania to see Punxsutawney Phil and his wife Phyllis, who actually live in the children's library, and as adorable as that sounds. So we're actually going to be able to see him. So we'll check in for you when we get there, or if we do something cool on the way there. Bye. Saw the weirdest thing. It was a funeral home with one of those big like advertising screens like on its business, and it said Phyllis something today at 4, like her funeral advertised, and big lights. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Scary.
I don't like it.
No.
But I decided now that we saw that, we're gonna collect weird things along the road. I'm gonna tell you about them.
Might as well put a big picture of the lady on there.
Yeah, they probably do.
They probably do.
All right, that's a no from me. Okay, bye. When we travel, when we go into like New Hampshire or Maine or something, we're looking for moose or bear, and there's those like moose crossing signs, the yellow ones. Maybe if I'm really fancy, I can put a picture right here of that. But we just saw a horse and buggy crossing. We're in the middle of Pennsylvania. I'm assuming now we're getting into Amish country. It's all farms, so I'm really excited.
Mountain views.
Yeah.
Cows, horses.
If we see someone at the horse and buggy, I'll be sure to try and catch it on film. I don't know why Amish people like excite me. I'm like really interested in it. Just because it's a different way of life. Yes.
My hand is raised.
I'm sorry.
Does anybody know what this Penn's Cave is?
Oh yeah.
Has anyone done it or been? Here's a horse and buggy. Oh my god, the horse is running.
So does that mean they're Amish? Yeah, right? Yeah, because
know.
there's nothing electronic about that. It's so cool.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
totally
so
Amish.
beautiful.
Oh my god, cool.
Definitely.
So I wish moose crossing was that exciting. When we see a moose crossing sign, we always like hope and pray that right then and there we'll see a moose.
We always say that would be the perfect thing, is to see a moose right at the moose crossing sign and possibly get a picture of that.
But we just saw a horse and buggy right at the sign. That was
right
exciting.
at the sign.
Perfect timing.
It literally said horse and buggy crossing next 16 miles, and we drove for like 0.1,
yeah.
And there was a horse and buggy, and now we've seen 3 so far.
So exciting. Awkward, dead groundhog in the road. Sorry, Phil. So sorry. Okay, we finally made it to Gobblers Knob in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. So we're going to get out and show you guys where Punxsutawney Phil does his prediction on February 2nd every year to see if there are 6 more weeks of winter or an early spring. Are you excited, Finn?
Yes, let's go.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so this is just a little information about Groundhog's Day. Something that we're really excited about is all around town they have these Punxsutawney Phil statues, and we're going to try to ride around and see if we can find some. But there's a bunch of cute pictures of Phil and a little information on the inner circle. Who takes care of Phil? Coming into Gobblers Knob, you get to go on this trail. It's not very long, but I guess you get to see all of the different things that they have for the big day, Groundhog's Day. These seem like media boxes. Then I would imagine that the media sits here to get to watch. Right there. And we're gonna go on the trail before we go down there. They have these little trains created by welding students all throughout the trail, and there's little groundhogs all in them. Adorable. A reason to come to Groundhog's Day on February 2nd every year is because it's probably the only fireworks show in the early morning hours. So starting at 6:30 in the morning, the fireworks show begins. Here's Finn next to Phil's burrow. Want to see if we open it? Oh my goodness, there's Phil's burrow. Oh my goodness, the cutest Phil's I've ever seen. Hey, what are you doing?
Here is the Burrow Theater. Come on in. And this is a nice wood bench with groundhogs. Little scenery, painted mural all over the walls of all the people celebrating Groundhog Day. A lot of which their names are Phil. And there's Phil. This guy's voting for 6 more weeks of winter. Awesome.
We just got back in the car from exploring Gobblers Knob, and it was so fun. Really,
so fun.
It was really hot, so
Yeah.
Finn, so
It is 76 degrees right now, but there's like no wind either, so.
no, it's beautiful. We did the loop trail, which is, I'd say about a half mile, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Nothing really. And also I was very nicely corrected. I think I've been saying it wrong all day. Groundhog's Day. It's not. It's Groundhog Day.
There is only one Phil, and
One
they are
Phil.
very strict about it. Phil is Phil.
Phil is one Phil. So we're off to the children's library to go see Phil and Phyllis. So we'll catch you when we get there.
Bye. Exiting Gobblers Knob. See you soon, Phil and Phyllis.
See you soon. All right, here we are at the children's library, and Phil is actually right in the front. Look at Phil. Hi, honey. And look, it's Phil. Well, that's Phil.
Oh my God, he's biting.
Oh, hi, Phil. Winnie, tell Phil you just went in his burrow. We're here at Phil's burrow. And do you see Phil? It's hard to see him today. The sun's so bright. Let's head inside to get a better look. Here's Phil and Phyllis eating inside their burrow. Punxsutawney, we absolutely loved visiting you. We're gonna grab a bite to eat, and then we'll be on our way to our first campsite. Hi. Hi, Ash.
Hi. Of course, while we are in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, we obviously had to try the Punxy Phil's family restaurant, Cakes and Steaks. Review to follow. For the review, I would say that it was pretty good. I got the cheesesteak sandwich with fries and a pickle, and it was good.
I got a cheeseburger. Nothing to write home about. But
No, but not bad. If you're looking for a place to go in town that
cute.
has to do with Mr. Phil himself, I'd recommend this place.
Yeah, it was cute inside.
Yeah. Couple of t-shirts and different stuff you can buy. And nice workers.
Tonight we're staying at Colors of the Forest RV Resort and Campground. I don't think they're officially open for the season yet, but we got an awesome spot right near the bathrooms. And Ashley's making a fire. We're getting the car all set up. I have the picnic table set up, and I think we're just gonna edit some videos, hang by the fire, and call it a night. We're making our first fire by the camp. We're all set up. We're also determined to have the cutest camp set up. So this is our picnic table and our adorable packed party cups. Winnie's just hanging out in her tent, and Finn is on his lead, just walking around, checking all the places out. We're the only ones here tonight, so it's awesome that we get to explore this place all by ourselves. What do you think, Winnie? Hi. All right, night 2 of car camping. We'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Nothing like some kitty crunchies in nature.
Feeding the goldfish outside our campsite.
We didn't have bread, but we sure have dog food.
Yeah, we're feeding them little dog kibbles.
When we were in the Bahamas, they fed the fish cat food, so we feel like we're fine.
Yep. But cute little pond
How big they are.
outside the campground we stayed at last night. And they like dog food.
Not really, it's all on the top. But they're
Okay.
coming.
They're coming to it, but they're not eating it. I think it's too big for them. They probably just like kitten crunchies.
All right, next one.
Sorry, fish.
Love you.
Wish we had some bread or something. Oh, I just heard one of them crunch on it.
Oh.
Oh, see, she just ate
They're
it.
getting it.
They're eating it.
Sorry, little one.
Eat up!
Oh my god, they're huge.
Aren't they?
Look at these.
Look at this one coming to the shore to eat. Can you guys see it in the video?
Oh my god, look at all of them.
So cute.
Oh, they ran and told their friends.
They're very pretty dark colors. Wow.
They're beautiful.
Very.
Oh, look at this one. It has a huge tail.
I like watching them come up to eat. It's really cool. Here they come, look.
I think they like it a little wet.
Yeah, they like it wet and they like stick their lips out and grab it.
That's adorable.
All right, fish.
See you later.
See you later.
We're just leaving Colors of the Forest RV Resort and Campground. We had such a good night here. When we woke up, we saw a lot of deers running through the woods. It was awesome. They actually, we booked a different campsite, but their water was down in the bathhouses. So they let us use a hotel bathroom, which was awesome and super gracious. So we were thankful for that.
We got a whole hotel room for showering and using the bathroom, so it was really nice.
It was so nice. So we had a really great night. We would definitely recommend this place.
We slept really good, and the worker here, Tammy, she runs the whole place, and she's very nice, and she told us about the fish, and she was just very hospitable.
Yeah. So
highly recommend.
If you're ever in the area. Here's the campsite that we stayed at last night. If you're ever in the area, we would highly recommend you check it out.
Next up is to hopefully find a local coffee shop and a good bagel. See you there. We just found our local coffee shop and we decided to go with Canyon Coffee Company. And I got the sugar-free mocha cold foam iced coffee. And it looks absolutely delicious. And I haven't tried it yet because I wanted to try it on video with you guys.
I also got a green tea. Unsweetened.
That is so delicious.
It's Ashley's mission to find the best coffee in every state that we go to, every little town that we go to. So if you know some good spots anywhere, because we're going all around this summer,
Yeah.
leave it in the comments below.
We also got bacon, egg, and cheese croissants while we were in there. This was Canyon Coffee Company, so we're going to try these now. Cheers.
Finn, no. Time to say goodbye to Phil and Phyllis. We're leaving Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania and heading towards Shenandoah National Park. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss where we go next. We'll see you in the next one.
Oh.